Hi guys, and welcome to today's tutorial on income and expenditure for business studies. We're going to look at in today's tutorial, we're going to look at income and different ways that we receive income. If you like more videos, please check out our website examrevision.ie, and please can you subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/examrevision, and you can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for all our latest news. So first of all, we're going to look at what is income. And income, the definition of income, is money that is earned. Okay, usually from a job, from work. So income is money that is earned, and there's different ways that we can receive income, and they are as follows. So the three different ways in which you can receive income is regular income, irregular income, and a third one is called a benefit in kind. So the first one, irregular income, this is income that is paid at fixed intervals. Okay, so an example of that might be a job seeker allowance. It might be your wage every week, or it might be your salary, which might be paid every fortnightly, or every month. The second one, irregular income, is income that is received occasionally. So it's not regular, you can't rely on it, but you get this occasionally. So it might be a bonus from work, it might be from doing some overtime, or it might be some commission on sales that you made. And the last one, the third one, is a benefit in kind income. And this income is sometimes known as like a perk of the job. Okay, and it's not paid in like the form of money. An example of this might be like if you work for a company and you get a company car, or maybe you might get a mobile phone, or maybe you might get some stationery, or maybe you might get some discounts off insurance or so on. So this is a benefit in kind. You don't actually receive the money, but you might get it's like the perk of the job or a benefit in kind. So it's the advantages of doing that job. So an example might be a teacher might get some stationery. If you are a chef, you might get some food. And if you own a big car dealership, maybe you might get a company car. Okay, so I've just wrote down an example for each one: wages, bonuses, and a company car. So the next thing we need to look at is deductions. And deductions is something that is taken away from your gross pay. And there's two types of deductions that you can have. The first one is called a statutory deduction. And the second one is called a voluntary deduction. Now, I'm going to explain each one. So the first one is statutory deduction. And this is what you must give up from your salaries or wages, okay? So it's what the government takes off you, and it's illegal not to pay your statutory deductions. So this might be your PAYE, so pay as you earn, your income tax, or it might be your PRSI, so your pay-related social insurance. And the second one is a voluntary deduction, and this is a deduction that you choose to give up and to be paid from your wages. So an example might be a pension contribution, or maybe it might be to join a trade union, or maybe it might be to get health insurance. So that's what voluntary. So voluntary is you decide to get that taken away from your pay. Statutory, you've no choice; it has to be taken away because it's illegal if it's not paid. So here's your statutory deductions, and these are two things that you have to be deducted from your pay. From your wage or your salary, and it's PAYE, pay as you earn. An example of this is your income tax. So income tax. The next statutory deduction that you must pay is PRSI, so pay-related social insurance. And an example of this might be social welfare benefits. So example, social welfare. So everybody has to pay a social welfare benefit, and that is in case that you are maybe sick, or so you can get your pension, or maybe you can get unemployment benefit if you happen to be out of work at any time in the future. And the last one, voluntary Deductions, like we said, it's what you choose to give up. So what you choose to give up from your salary or wages, it's not compulsory. And this might be something like you might decide to pay a pension contribution. So you've got a pension for when you retire. It might be something like health insurance. So you're covering yourself for health insurance. Or it might be to pay for a trade union. So you're a member of a trade union for your sector of employment that you're in. So that's the end of today's tutorial. We looked at income and expenditure. And if you'd like to check out more videos, you can find some more videos on examrevision.ie on our website, or you can get them on youtube.com/examrevision. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll be able to keep up to date. You'll be sent emails when we upload new videos, and also you'll be able to find other videos much easier. So please guys, can you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Twitter and Instagram for all the latest news and updates at Exam Revision for you.